Awesome.
Oh, hey.
Hey.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it just those two?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
All right. All right. Awesome. Thank you so much, sir. All right, everybody. Welcome back. So we got another box in. Came from UPS today. Came from the RuckShop. So let's take a look and see what's in here. I tell you, these guys are probably the fastest shipping that I've seen. They get stuff out same day. It's crazy how fast they ship stuff. Oh, what might that be? What might that be? Oh, you have to stay tuned for that one. Oh, look at that. They're round. There's two of them. RuckShop sent me some donuts. Oh. Look what they threw in the box. That was awfully nice of them. Send me that. The UPS man, he dropped off 2 boxes today, and they were both from the RuckShop. Let's see what's in the second box. Oh, yeah. Some goodies. Some cable wire management. Bracket. Invoice. Oh, yeah. The RuckShop. Another one of those. So we're gonna get all this stuff put together, and then we'll do a big reveal. It won't be long. Oh yeah.